How to set up your first route in Waze. Tap on the Waze icon to launch the app. Make sure your location or GPS is turned on. Now enter your destination. Type the address, place name or point of interest you want to go. You can also choose from a place like home or work. After entering your destination, Waze will show several route options. Each route will display estimated time and traffic condition. Tap the route you like the best. Now tap view route. Once you pick a route, tap go now.
All set, let's go. Turn right and then turn right.
Waze will start giving you turn-by-turn direction with the live traffic updates, road alerts, and even police or hazard notifications. Just follow Waze direction on the screen and it will guide you all the way to your destination. If there is traffic, Waze may reroute automatically to save time, and that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.